Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix the recycle bin on drive is corrupted. Do you want to empty the recycle bin for this drive in Windows 10 or Windows 11? Let's fix it guys. Method on, you just need to go to search menu and type cmd, right click on the command prompt and select run as administrator and select yes. Now you just need to check my video description for this command used in my video. Just copy the first command and paste it and press enter. You just need to wait for this command to done 100% complete. After getting 100% complete, you just need to close stuff here and go ahead and restart your PC. After restarting your PC, you can check if the problem solved or not. If the problem not solved, let's move on to the method 2 guys. Method 2, you just need to go to search menu and type file explorer options. Click on open it. Go to view tab and check mark show hidden files, folders and drives, and uncheck hide protected operating system files. Select yes, select apply, and now go to file explorer, this PC, local disk C. Now you can able to see the dollar symbol recycle bin folder. Just double click on it. Now copy the file path. After copying it, you just need to close stuff here. Go to search menu and type cmd. Right click on the command prompt and select run as administrator and select yes. Now you just need to check my video description for this command used in my video. Just leave a space and paste the file path we copied. And now copy this command and paste it in the cmd and press enter. After finishing this command, you just need to close stuff here and select don't show hidden files, folders or drives and check mark hide protected operating system files and select apply and OK for save changes. And now you can check if the problem solved or not. If the problem not solved, let's move on to the method 3 guys. Method 3, you just need to go to search menu and type file explorer option. Click on open it. Select view tab and select show hidden files, folders and drives and uncheck protected operating system files and select yes and select apply. And now open up file explorer. Go to this PC. Go to local disk C and just need to find the dollar symbol recycle bin folder. Just right click on it and select delete it. And now you just need to close stuff here. Check mark don't show hidden files, folders and drives and check mark hide protected operating system files and select apply and OK. Now you just need to go ahead and restart your PC. After restarting your PC, you just need to go to search menu and type settings. Click on open it. On left side select personalization, on right side select themes. Scroll down and select desktop icon setting. After selecting this option, you can able to see a prompt open up. You just need to check mark recycle bin in there. After that, select apply and OK for save changes. And after doing that, your problem should be fixed guys. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.